In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for managing client work effectively. Trello is a versatile and user-friendly project management tool that can help you stay organized and ensure that you're working efficiently with all of your clients. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your client boards with ease, keep your workflow smooth, and have everything you need in one place. Let's start by creating a new board for each client. Open Trello and click Create New Board from your homepage. Give your board a title that clearly reflects which client it's for, so you can easily identify it later. Having a dedicated board allows you to keep everything related to that client in one spot, from tasks to resources. Next, set up your lists. The basic backbone of a Trello board involves creating lists, which could include To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. You can customize these to suit your workflow best. Lists help you visualize the progression of tasks as they move through your workflow and are a great way to ensure you're keeping track of everything in a structured manner. With your lists in place, it's time to add cards for individual tasks or projects. Click on Add a Card underneath the list where you want it to appear and write a brief description of the task. Cards are incredibly flexible. You can include due dates, attach files, and even add checklist items for task breakdowns. This allows you to handle big projects more easily by tackling them as smaller, manageable tasks. Don't forget to assign your team members to cards. Trello makes collaboration easy by letting you add people to a card so they're notified about any updates. This ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. It's a good practice to tag only those involved to avoid unnecessary notifications. Now, let's discuss labels. These colorful little rectangles offer a visual way to categorize your tasks. For instance, you could use labels for priority levels, task types, or even departments. The flexibility here allows you to quickly assess the state of tasks across all boards at a glance. One of the powerful features Trello offers is automation, known as Butler. Butler can save you a lot of time by automating repetitive tasks. Perhaps you want a card to automatically move to the review list once all its checklist items are complete, or alert someone when a deadline is approaching. Spend some time exploring Butler to see how it can fit into your processes. Lastly, don't forget to frequently review and update your boards. As work progresses and priorities change, make a habit of revisiting your Trello boards to make sure they accurately reflect reality. This helps in maintaining workflow efficiency and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. So, whether you're a team of one or managing a large group, using Trello effectively can transform your client work management. Keep experimenting and adapting, and soon enough you'll find the perfect setup that works for you and your clients.